Oh my god. Holy crap.
80. You just got 80.
Oh.
How did I not even know this?
I didn't fluke the duel, but oh my god. I fluked like 30% of level.
So the Black Wizard isn't even that hard.
How about one more time at the second cube and I'll do it.
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, I'll be back in a minute. I ate dinner, but I'll be back pretty quick. If Mason gets on, just go ahead and start it, I guess. I'll join. Well, I don't know, just figure something out. I'll be back.
Oh my god! Yes! Yes! I can't believe it! Yes! 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 Oh my goodness! Yes!
Oh my god.
Yes, dude! Yes!
Yelling so loud.